is going on, guys? Continuing my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 coverage, got a case for you today, a leather case, the official Samsung leather cover for this device. I got this one in mustard. This also comes in green and black, and on the Samsung store, it runs you $71.99. You can get this in a few locations now, but not all the colors are available. I will leave a link in the description. All 3 colors are available on Amazon. So let's get started. Minimalist packaging here. Very familiar packaging if you've bought cases before from Samsung, and it is a very monotone leather, as it usually is from Samsung. You've got Samsung branding on the bottom there, on both the packaging and on the cover itself. It says leather cover, Galaxy Z Flip 5G there. In the middle, some serial info. On the back, some important information listed. It says leather cover, nothing on the bottom and nothing on either side. So let's get this opened up. You do not need an unboxing knife of any kind for this. There we go. And on the bottom here, you've got a tab. Just pull that open. And we have our leather cover for the Z Flip 5G. Again, this is the mustard color. No brown this year. I guess this is replacing the brown. And the cover comes in 2 parts, of course, because you are going to put 1 part on either side of your Flip 5G. You've got some protective cardboard in the middle. Got a booklet here with some instructions. Hopefully we'll be able to figure out how to apply this case on our own. And of course it's in several languages here. Put that off to the side. And here it is. First time I'm holding a leather cover that is 2 separate parts here. And on the bottom, it says Samsung, debossed branding there. On the bottom, cutouts for your speaker grill, microphones, USB-C cable. And on the inside, kind of a suede finish, very soft, nice to the touch. This is made in China. You've got this black strip here. I'm not entirely sure what this is for, but there is a pull tab here to peel off plastic. So there that is. And on the top half, you've got a cutout for your flash, a cutout for the cover display. And on the inside, again, that same nice material. Peel off that QR code, and nothing written on the inside. You've got your volume rocker here on the side. You've got a cutout here on the side as well for your power button, which also doubles as your fingerprint sensor. And nothing on these sides, no cutouts or anything on the sides there on the bottom. So here we have our Z Flip, and let's apply this cover. Now, I don't even know if you have to have the phone open or closed. Maybe that sounds stupid, but here, I'll try it closed to start. And looks like we applied that fairly easily. And on the bottom here, same thing, just snaps right into place. And there you have it. Really, really easy here. And I had to adjust here on the top. I will open up our Flip, make sure everything is on there correctly. And there you see, the cutouts are perfect. You see your cover display, you see the flash, got your volume rocker here. Buttons, very nice and clicky. Let's get into the phone real quick, and I can show you that the volume buttons work as they should. Cut out here that shows part of the middle chassis, which is nice. Shows your power button. Press the power button there, works fine. Plenty of space for that. You've got a little bit of a bump here on the sides. So if you placed the phone down while it is unflipped or unfolded, it's not gonna touch the screen. It will be the case that is holding that up. So even if you didn't have the case, it would not be touching the display, but here you've got double protection now. It's raised along the case, and then it's raised along the display itself. Checking out the bottom here, see the cutouts for the microphones, USB-C, the speaker grill. Another look at the back. The leather itself feels like Samsung leather cases of the past. There's some texture, not a whole lot. It is not going to be as slippery as it would be without the case because it's more of a reflective glass with the Z Flip. So I'm putting the phone on my jeans right now, and I'm at an angle, and the phone is not slipping off, whereas it does if it did not have the case on it. So taking a look at the case closed, really, really nice to see that metal hinge there and the Samsung branding. Really, really cool, really different. Definitely going to turn some heads with both the phone and this case. Smells really, really nice. Genuine leather, of course. And taking a look at the phone with the case closed. Here's your cover display. See how it looks there, can see that completely legibly. Nice animation there. Here it looks on the sides with it closed. Got the metal hinge on the top there. You got part of the metal chassis in front of you with the power button, fingerprint sensor. Here's how it looks on the bottom closed. Got all the cutouts that you need. This would be the top part of the phone here. And on this side, no cutouts. So it is just the leather flush. And once again, on the top here with that metal hinge. So here's how it looks. Once again, every side. And if you guys have any questions about this case, leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to get to them. But if you like leather cases, I think you're really gonna enjoy this one if you've got a Z Flip 3 5G. Now I'm also gonna cover the Aramid carbon fiber cover officially from Samsung for this device. So if you wanna see that, consider subscribing. And 'tis the season for tech. I've got the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, actually a couple of them coming in. I will cover the Pixel 6 Pro when that comes out. So if you like any of that stuff, then you'll probably be happy with what's coming on the channel. And if you like this video, click that thumbs up button so that I know what you like to see and what videos to make for you. All right, stay safe everybody, and I will see you soon.